In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Defender, a crucial tool for keeping your computer safe and secure. Let's dive into the steps to access it, and I'll guide you through every detail to ensure it's a smooth process. First things first, you'll want to begin by clicking the Start button. You might recognize it as the Windows icon, conveniently located on your taskbar, usually at the bottom left corner of your screen. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker route, you can also use the magnifying glass icon, typically situated right beside the Start button. This gives you direct access to the search function. Now that you've opened up the Start menu or activated the search feature, it's time to put it to use. In the search bar that appears either in the menu or within the magnifying glass interface, type in Windows Security or Microsoft Defender. As you begin typing, you'll likely notice the search functionality start suggesting relevant options, which makes locating the app a much quicker process. Once you've typed in the name, the next step is to look through the list of search results that appear. You might see that the Windows Security app, synonymous with Microsoft Defender, is prominently displayed. You'll recognize it by its shield icon, symbolizing its protective functions for your PC. Click on it to open the app and bring up the dashboard. With the dashboard open in front of you, you'll have access to various security options and protection settings for your computer. From here, you can run virus scans, update your protection settings, and tailor the security measures to suit your specific needs. Having Microsoft Defender readily accessible ensures that your system is continually monitored for potential threats and vulnerabilities. By following these straightforward steps, you're taking a proactive role in safeguarding your computer's health and longevity. It's worth mentioning that this is something you'll want to do regularly. Ensuring that Microsoft Defender is running and up to date is a key part of maintaining a secure computing environment, especially given the ever-evolving nature of cybersecurity threats. Remember, taking these simple actions to open and utilize Microsoft Defender can significantly enhance your machine's defense mechanisms, providing peace of mind as you go about your activities online and offline. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, don't hesitate to seek further guidance. Now you're equipped to keep your computer secure and protected. Keep practicing these steps, and soon, accessing your security tools will become second nature, helping you maintain a safe digital environment effortlessly.